Middle and high schoolers across the borough are participating in a school outreach initiative based out of the Brooklyn Public Library. News 12 Brooklyn Dana Arshan shows us how these kids are getting a once-in-a-lifetime research opportunity in this 12 on Schools report.
I was actually surprised because I honestly didn't know what he did. I didn't know he was a police officer in 1907.
Chase, an 8th grade student, can't believe he just found information on his great-great-grandfather in the city directory from 1907.
It's pretty cool. It's good to know that I have some footprints in Brooklyn, some history.
Chase and his classmates from Brooklyn Prospect Charter School came to the public library's Central Branch Wednesday to take advantage of a special program called Brooklyn Connections.
Brooklyn Connections is a free program for middle and high school students where they come to the library and Brooklyn Collection and they learn how to do authentic research.
One of the most unique opportunities for the students who come here is the chance to work with authentic historic documents like this World War II ration book from Bay Ridge. The students use gloves to touch the historic documents. In addition to ration books, they also see World War II bonds and photographs.
You can't hear it from a teacher, you can't see it in a textbook, You get an actual connection to sort of that time period.
More than 2,200 students in the borough are involved with Brooklyn Connections, and that number grows every year. Reporting from the Brooklyn Public Library's Central Branch, Dana Arshan, News 12, Brooklyn.